Okay, I think I've shown enough pieces, leaves, pods. I'm going to use doweling, and I'm going to put together a Venus flytrap. So let me get all those pieces onto my crafting table, and let's put it together and see what we come up with. Other than the two videos for prep, I glued short floral wires, no longer than the assemblable, to the leaves. I have a pile of leaves over here ready to go. I painted my dowlings. They're various lengths. The leftovers I bundled together with some floral, covered them and painted them for dead appendages for my dead plant. I also did inserts, and I'll insert that video on how to make the insert and how to install it. I traced the football onto a piece of paper to be sure it would be the same size as my paws. I extended the pattern made by holding two pencils together and traced the shape again, increasing the size of the pattern. I then cut that out and traced it onto my paper towels and made my inserts. I used a 50% glue and water mixture and softened the edges of the inserts on both sides and glued the inserts into place both sides of the pod. Going to go ahead and film how to assemble this. I'll knock the sound out, fast forward it, and talk over it. So here we go. Oh, one other thing before we start. My husband calls these avocados, and they do kind of look like avocados. So here we go. Because I used some more sticks, I could use them to poke into the pods and into the foam of my planter. If you don't have pointed ends, use a skewer to get it started, or just use a hot glue gun and glue your pod onto the doweling. For the final product, I hot glued all the wires into place into the dowels and where I wanted them into the foam to keep it in. I forgot to say I used clear plastic fork tines for teeth on my Venus flytrap and googly eyes. I wanted my flytraps to have a lot of personality and not look exactly like everybody else's. Here they are. I even named these cutie pies. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something that you can use. I hope it sparked the creative side of you. I have a Patreon, YouTube, Instagram, all that stuff. Please like, subscribe, share. Make a comment below if you got any ideas out of this. Tell me what you want me to create. Give me a direction to flow. One thing I'd like you to remember most of all is to please remember that you are loved.